Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new studio vlog. These past few weeks I've been focused on finishing my sketchbook and planning my next shop update. So keep me company while I'm receiving some new stickers, I paint in my sketchbook, and I'm creating some GIFs for Instagram. Just to give you an update about what I'm planning to do, this is the last vlog with this specific format where I'm doing a voiceover of what happened the past few weeks. I did some tests with my iPhone and the quality is great when I'm filming with it, so it will allow me to do what I have more in mind regarding what I want to do with the vlogs. So the next vlogs will be filmed with my phone and only in the moment. I'm not a full-time illustrator and I can't vlog that often because there is some days where I'm not working as an illustrator at all. So to make it more interesting, I will try to do a studio/art vlog every season. So the first that I will do will be the spring art vlog, and it will be released at the end of spring, and I hope it will be great. So I was super excited to finish my sketchbook, so the last few weeks I painted a lot in it. If you already saw some of my videos, you might have noticed that I'm in love with the Holbein Acryla gouache, so I'm doing a lot of gouache paintings. This one turned out not as I expected. I haven't planned that much the colors and it turned out not so great. But that's the process of learning. There is a lot of paintings that I made and I don't like, but each time I'm learning some new things. I wanted to create a shading, but it's quite complicated to do with gouache or acrylic without mixing the paint with a retardant because it dries super quickly. While I was painting, I also noticed that the water had a really cool color, which was something like a light coral, and I really want to try out to do a painting with this color, but I'm super lazy with mixing my colors, so most of the time I'm sticking with the colors that are made by the brand. But anyway, I saw this color and I really loved it. What I like in this painting is the sun and the window, but I think that the building isn't detailed enough and it's just creating a large flat, not really great color at the bottom of the painting. But I really like the window idea, so I could use it in a better composition next time. There are 2 new sticker packs coming in my shop soon. So the first one is a plant sticker pack with a rose and 2 leaves, and I just received the rose. The second one is an alien sticker pack, and the first sticker is an alien head, and there is a tiny spaceship and a shooting star coming soon as well. The alien pack is holographic and I think this is my favorite sticker pack so far, and I'm super impatient to release it. I'm doing some photos of the stickers for Instagram and my online shop, and then I pack them and I store them so they can be protected. I wasn't feeling inspired and I wanted to create some GIFs, so I asked my followers on Instagram to give me 3 emojis that I had to combine to create some GIFs. The ideas that people gave me were super interesting and hard, but it turned out super cool. I'm using my iPad and Procreate to draw and export these GIFs. And then I'm uploading them on Giphy so people can use them on Instagram. Most of the time I'm starting by doing some sketches in my sketchbook and then I go on my iPad. And it's quite easy to do because the GIFs that I am creating only have 3 images in them for the animation. And this is the result for my little GIFs. Thank you to everyone who gave me some ideas. I'm always in good company when I'm doing some creative stuff because my kitties are keeping me company in the studio. And even if they can be annoying when I'm painting, they are so cute, so everything is forgotten. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye!